Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Calendar. Google.com and sign in with your Google account now. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Click the gear icon and choose Settings from the menu to continue. In Settings, find the section labeled Settings for My Calendars on the left side. Click the specific calendar name you want to share in that list. This opens the calendar details where sharing and access controls are located for that specific calendar. Scroll to the Sharing with Specific People section to add collaborators. Click Add People and type the email addresses you want to share with. After entering addresses, click the Permission drop-down to choose a level for each person. Choose See Only Free/Busy for limited visibility or See All Event Details for full visibility. Choose Make Changes and Manage Sharing to allow edits and further sharing by that person. Click Send to email invitations or Save to apply the settings immediately. To modify permissions later, return to Settings and select the calendar name again. Find the person you added and use the permission drop-down to change their access level. To remove access completely, click the Remove option beside their entry and confirm the removal. If you gave Make Changes and Manage Sharing, that person can add others and edit events freely. To track activity, enable notifications in Event Notifications to receive
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.